not.
Just turn it on.
It is off.
I said on.
Okay.
Warning. In this video, I will be grumpy. I'm just a dad. Don't judge.
Ew.
What? I have to warn people what they're about to see.
I guess.
This is a whole new side of me no one's ever seen.
Have you had your midlife crisis with your hey dudes?
Are you trying to hurt my feelings? Because if so, you are succeeding.
So we need to work on your shifting patterns because I noticed that you're like going straight and you're just jamming it and diagonal to third.
Because that's what you told me.
You should be going straight into neutral and then straight up, a more notchy pattern instead of just going like that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You want my race car shoes? What? Those are super grippy. They're made from metals. Also, if anybody has a non-broken shifter boot, hit us up. Ours is broken and we could use a new one. And apparently, these aren't cheap. Alright, today's plan, other than driving, we're actually taking the car to the shop because there is some clunking coming from, and it's not because she's a horrible driver. There's something going on either with the torque arm bushing or the transmission bushing, I suspect. Yeah, we just got to get on the lift to diagnose what the noise is so we can get it fixed, because it's definitely something, I think, broken bushing wise.
Should I put it in fourth?
Just cruise it for now. You'll probably have to slow down and put it in fourth in the turn. But for now, you're okay. You have to speed up though. Now you got to put it fourth because you slow down way too much. Watch your left. Make sure there's no one over before you go over. There you go. Okay, one more. Go.
That was the slowest pass ever.
Speed up though. Speed up. Nice.
I'm not driving my car on there.
Why not?
I will literally probably wreck it without doing nothing.
Wreck it how? There's nothing to wreck it on.
I don't even know. I saw will somehow.
Just all you have to do is just drive on the red
No,
lines.
you're doing it. I'm not doing that.
Shout out to Leading Edge Collision for letting us use their in-ground alignment lift. Here in Houston, you got a race car, street car, show car, Corvette, whatever, and you're not coming here to get your alignment done, good luck on not tearing up your bumpers. In-ground, flush mount alignment lift, dude. Woo. Premium. Well, I know why it's making a clunking sound. Because the fucking bolt's completely missing on the freaking torque arm. So it's just chilling up there, bro. Just like... No wonder it's been clunking, dude. It is a regular bolt. Like a regular, like 13. You know what I mean? The deal was, you're supposed to be working on the car.
That was not the deal.
That was part of the deal.
That was not the deal.
I'm pretty sure.
I was not aware of this information.
Pretty sure Papa said only she can work on the car.
You're gaslighting me right now.
Alright, so yeah, this bracket was bent to you know what. We didn't even realize that until halfway through the job. We ended up finding a bolt for the top. The top bolt was missing, which made the torque arm basically just jump up and down all the time. That's why we were hearing clunk under loads. But we found a bolt, got it in there. It's tight now. We just need to tighten the rest up and we're done. Eventually, you're going to have to buy the cross member that puts this bracket on the cross member, not the tail housing.
Yep.
So, save your $500 now for that.
Only my job pays me like $9 an hour. Good luck. I'll be working for 5 months.
That's what you want.
No. You know what I found out? Dad, I found out that a thief could never steal my car.
Pretty sure they could.
No, because they don't know how to drive manual. Ah!
Pretty sure you did that.
What?
That was you.
I wouldn't even be surprised if I did.
Spider. So at some point we're gonna have to address, well, back here, we're gonna have to address this. Ow!
Oh!
Hear it? It's a shock, right?
Yeah, it feels. This feels normal.
Feel.
I can't reach over there.
How cool is that?
Super. Now just imagine it with the electric cutout.
Sounds good. Sounds less funky.
Yeah.
Huh?
Mind you, this I drove this once before, and it was a full tank. To this is from just today.
Yeah.
That's what it's like having a V8.
Oh, it's about to drop half of that.
I
right now.
know it's gonna be like at its last drops.
It's the last drops.
Yes. It's gonna be like, help me.
So deal's done. Time to take her home. And what's next? Now that it's fixed, we can.
The Buc-ee's trip.
We gotta go to Buc-ee's. We gotta make a Buc-ee's trip and then try to find another car show to go to here pretty soon.
Oh yeah.
Time to drop you off, go to Mexico to find
the milk.
the milk.